Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, we're answering a common question. Where is the file manager on the iPad? The file manager on iPad is called the Files app. You can find it directly on your home screen, but if it's not immediately visible, just swipe down on the screen and use the search bar to type in Files. The app icon is a simple blue folder on a white background, so it's easy to recognize once you spot it. Once you open the Files app, you'll be able to browse documents, downloads, and even files stored in cloud services. It supports several storage locations, like on my iPad for local files, iCloud Drive for anything synced through Apple's cloud service, and even third-party options like Google Drive if you have them installed and connected. Inside the app, the Browse tab is where you'll do most of your navigation. This lets you move through different folders and quickly switch between storage sources. To manage files, just tap and hold on any item. This gives you options to move, copy, rename, or delete the file. You can also create folders to keep things organized, and if you want quicker access later, tagging files with colors or labels can help you find them faster. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Foxtecc for more simple and useful iPad tutorials. See you later.